Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Glad you could join me today. So as promised in my earlier video, when I went to Tomoka State Park, I was going to do a review on the Coleman Cabin tent. So today, that's exactly what we're going to do. So if you order the Coleman Cabin tent, it comes in 4, 6, and 10 person tents. You choose what you want. I believe it's different colors. It's not one specific color. It's different colors because my color varied from my buddy Eric's, and he's got the 4-person tent. Okay. You're gonna get it. It's gonna come in this box here, shipped from Amazon. Okay. Take it out of the box. Throw the box away. Disregard it. Okay. Comes in a nice carrying case. Unzip it. Unsnap it. Lay it out. Nice carrying bag that you get with it. It's going to have your tent pegs in it. Here in Florida, we don't really need a mallet for the tent pegs. A lot of sandy area. Goes into the ground real easy. If you're up north, yeah, probably need a mallet. Ground's a little bit harder. But really easy to put in the 4 corners here. Plus the back and the front. All right. Got the circular cone right here. Go ahead, drop your sides down. Spread them out. Mine's a little bit dirty. Okay. Drop it down. Drop it down. You gotta have 4 bars. Click into place. Real simple. Extend. Snaps into place. That's 1. Good. Maybe I better extend all 4, huh? Pull it up and extend. Pull it up, extend. Same thing with the other side. Extend it up. Straighten it out. Real simple, right? You saw that. Took only a few minutes. Now when you go to extend it, when you extend the poles all the way, you make sure that this tab right here, okay, after you extend the pole up, this tab comes right through. When it clicks in, then you're all set. So you've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay. Then your tent is all set. Then you just load it up, put all the stuff in it. Now for the entrance of the tent, it has a zipper up here, up top. Open, close, and a zipper down below. Open and close. You get the point. So I'm not going to really have to go through a lot of stuff on this. Now, I was going to show you what it looks like with equipment inside and everything else. But unfortunately, since I didn't exactly clean it out that great, I will give you a look at the inside. Your windows zip right down. Okay. Front view of the tent. Also, you have these pockets right here. Unzips. You've got Velcro. Pop that end up, zip it back up, and now you have ventilation. The front part of that is all popped up. See, so right here, airflow will still happen to occur that way. Use it as a nice, beautiful vent. And you can do the same thing on the other side. Real simple. It only takes one person to put up this tent, folks. One person. And look at this real estate. You've got a pocket over there to put stuff in. You can hang a light from the top right there. You've got an O-ring. And over here, you have another small little pouch where you could put some stuff in as well. If you see what I mean, it's got a little bit of water in it still. It rained the whole weekend that we were out there. So I've got to dry this out. I've had no time to do this except for today. So that's why we're getting it done. I'll give you an outside look at the whole thing. Alright, now I'm going to show you how to fold it back up. So each of those corners that I showed you had that little silver clip coming out of it. You make sure that you push those in and the tent will start to collapse. Then when you're doing this, what you want to do is you want to make sure that you do have these windows semi-open. Okay, don't seal it all up. You want to make sure that you get all the air out of it, so that way when you're folding it back up, you're putting it all back together, and you want to get it back in that carry bag, it'll fit nice and easy for you. Now, you're going to have these elbows right here in the corners, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. They're 4 padded elbows, all right? Once you've got it collapsed to this height right here, about, stomach level, what have you, go ahead and bend those in. Spin them in. Don't be afraid you're going to break them. Bend it in. Start folding your ends in. And you'll see, they make a triangle shape. Just fold them right in. be fine. Okay? And raise it up a little bit. Okay? Keeping all this folded in. That way you'll be able to go around, get all the air out of it. Still folding it up. Then you can lay it back down. And you can press it from there. Now, I'm not gonna go through the whole, squish it down, get everything out, and put it back in the bag, because obviously you can see I've got to hose this thing out, and I've got to let it air out under a sheltered area here. So guys, that's just a real quick video on this Coleman Cabin tent. Reason I'm kind of rushing it is it's about 102 degrees here in Florida in the shade. Okay, it's near the end of the day. I didn't have a lot of time to do this, but as I promised my viewers, I would do a review on it. That tent was dry, like for the most part. It really probably was. I've hosed out the truck. I believe some water got into the tent bag that way because I didn't have it zipped all the way, and therefore you see some of the water inside the tent. But I can honestly tell you, I had those windows open. It rained the first night we were there. It rained the second day into the night, and the tent was dry. I had no problem whatsoever. And I bought some expensive tents in my life, and they haven't lasted for a thing. But this was simple. This was easy for me to get, and real easy for the campground I was at. Application was great. I had no issues whatsoever with it. So I hope you like this video. I'm sorry it's short, might be a little off, but like I said, I wanted to bring you, the viewers, the information that I promised, and we'll see all of you on the next adventure.